What's up, everybody? Welcome to Paleotize It, episode 2. What are we paleotizing today? That's funny you ask. It's that time of the season. It's Shamrock Shake season. Just doing some Shamrock Shake research, don't mind me. McDonald's cult favorite beverage. The two main features of the Shamrock Shake are A, its color, and B, its flavor. That super sweet peppermint flavor. The only other flavor you can kind of taste is a slight vanilla and a heavy sugar. All right, so let's break this bad boy down. One medium Shamrock Shake has 78 grams of sugar, which is absurd. I don't even know how you could fit that much sugar in a medium-sized cup. A large Shamrock Shake is 113 grams of sugar in one beverage. That's most people's sugar for a week. This is in one cup. Let's go into the ingredients that McDonald's actually uses when creating their own Shamrock Shakes. The ingredients are milk, sugar, cream, corn syrup, natural flavor, mono
sodium
and
bentonite,
diglycerides,
yellow 5,
cellulose gum,
milk,
sugar,
blue
milk, corn
sugar,
syrup, carrot
cream,
flavor,
corn
mono,
syrup,
diglycerides,
non-cellulose
cellulose
gum,
gum,
liquid
sugar,
sugar,
2% or less,
mono,
regular natural flavor. So to really get the Shamrock Shake to be a Shamrock Shake, it has to hit on all points. It has to be like ice cream, it has to be green, it has to be super sweet, and it has to be minty. I think if we hit those four things, we'll have ourselves a Paleo Shamrock Shake. Let's break down what's going to be in our Paleo version. Now let's start with some ice. We use half an avocado. It's gonna thicken up that milk and make it that much creamier. We also added some baby spinach. Add a couple of spearmint leaves. We use 1 cup coconut milk and a 1/4 cup cashew milk. A tablespoon of honey. A half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, and an 1/8 teaspoon peppermint extract. A little bit of this peppermint extract goes a very long way. Make sure to salt bae some salt into this. Throw all those things in a blender, blend them up real nice till you get a green, creamy consistency similar to this McDonald's Monster Shamrock Shake. Now let's make some whipped cream. 1 can full-fat coconut milk, and mix it with 1 tablespoon maple syrup. That's a tasty shake, and I don't feel like dying after. Let's go into some of the Shamrock Shake history. So the Shamrock Shake is a bit of a cult favorite with people who eat at McDonald's and buy their products. It was first introduced in 1970. And the original version of it was actually a lemon lime flavor. So 3 years after that, they tweaked it and made it a vanilla ice cream with a peppermint flavor with heavy green syrup. And that's kind of more similar to the Shamrock Shake that we have today. I don't know why they did that. Maybe they figured peppermint is more Irish. Maybe, I don't know. But it took 3 years for them to figure that out. And they now are rolling heavy with the mint-flavored Shamrock Shake. Another interesting thing we found while researching the Shamrock Shake is some of the McDonald's lore that surrounds it. So if you may know, McDonald's has a ton of mascots: Grimace, Hamburglar, and the one that everybody knows is Ronald. So when they originally rolled out the Shamrock Shake, they introduced a pretty unique mascot, and that was Uncle O'Grimacy. which is Grimace's Irish uncle. The most generic Irish name ever, by just adding an O in front of Grimace's name and adding a Y at the end, automatically makes you Irish. They colored him green and they put some shakes in his hand. I don't know if that's going to fly 2019, but that's what they did with the original advertising rollout in 1980. Fun fact. That's our Paleo Shamrock Shake, a seasonal hit at McDonald's, and it's sure to be a hit with your Paleo friends, and it's going to be a really big hit with your Paleo Irish friends. So if you decide to make this, we'd love to see how yours come out, and we'd also love to hear your suggestions for future Paleotize episodes. So in the comments below, leave your suggestion on what we should Paleotize next. Until next time, this has been Paleotize It with your boy Doug. St. Patrick's Day. Leprechauns. Corned beef. Potatoes. Green.